There's a Nono Fort Tangtung from YouTube. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Dr. Zakir Naik, is it haram to live with your non-Muslim girlfriend even if you don't do haram things? The question poses that is it haram to live with your non-Muslim girlfriend even if you don't do haram things? Living with a non-Muslim girlfriend itself is haram. So you're asking me the question that is it haram to live with a non-Muslim girlfriend if you don't do haram things? It is like you telling me that is it permissible for me to drink alcohol and then not do haram things? You understand? Is it permissible to drink alcohol, but after drinking alcohol I will not do any haram things? So is it allowed for me to drink alcohol? And the answer is no. Drinking alcohol itself is wrong. So you ask me the question, can I live with a non-Muslim girlfriend? Living with a nahmaram in Islam is haram. And then you will not do haram things, that's another thing. So it's like you asking me, can I drink alcohol? And after drinking alcohol, I will not do haram things. So is it allowed for me to drink alcohol if I don't do haram things after drinking alcohol? And the answer is no, it's haram. Because drinking alcohol itself is haram. And after drinking, you may do something else, is secondary. After drinking alcohol, you may do zina, you may gamble, that's secondary. But drinking alcohol itself is gunah kabira. So similarly, staying with a non-Muslim girl, friend, who's a non-mahram, she's not your wife, she's not your sister, she's not your mother, she's a non-mahram to you. So staying with her itself is haram. Whether after that you do haram, whether you do zina with her or not after that, or that is secondary. But staying with a non-mahram girlfriend itself is haram. Whether after that you do haram or not, that is secondary. Question asked by Miftal. Assalamu alaikum. Can a man do exercise shirtless in a public gym? Can a man do exercise topless or shirtless in a public gym? As far as the satar of the male is concerned for a Muslim man, it's from the navel to the knee. There are different opinion whether the knee is included or not, but the right opinion is different opinion. I mean, the Shafi madhab and Hanafi madhab, that is the knee included or not. But preferable is that you include the knee also. So the question is, if he is shirtless, as long as is from the navel bottom is covered, it is permitted. General ruling. General ruling. So if you are shirtless without a top, as long as from your navel downwards below the knee is covered, it is permitted. But you said a public gym. So if you know that it's a public gym, and if it's a gym where male and female are together, and then if you think it will create a fitna, by law it's permitted. But it can come in the makruh category if you think it's going to create a fitna, that if it's a gym where both the sexes are there, and if you are somebody watching you, and if you want to create a fitna, so it can come. Generally it's permitted. But because it's a public gym, means in the open place, and whether if it's only male, then no problem at all. If it's female and depending on the other situation, etc. But generally, yes, being topless in a public area for a male is permitted because his satar is from the navel to the knee.